Are you wondering what's the best crypto to buy in 2025? Whether you're trying to catch the next bull run or simply diversify your portfolio, today we're breaking down the top 5 cryptocurrencies that are set to outperform based on current trends, adoption, and upcoming catalysts. This is Crypto 101, where we simplify crypto and amplify your wealth. Let's start with number 1, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still the king of crypto. Institutional interest is rising again. ETFs are gaining traction. Many analysts predict Bitcoin could reach between $120,000 to $150,000 by late 2025. If you're looking for stability and long-term credibility, Bitcoin remains the most trusted foundation in the market. Next up, Ethereum. Ethereum is no longer just the leading smart contract platform. It's an entire financial ecosystem. With the rise of Layer 2 solutions and upgrades like danksharding, Ethereum is more scalable and efficient than ever. Staking is growing rapidly, and many believe ETH could reach $10,000 or more by 2025. Number 3, Solana. Solana has made a huge comeback. Known for its blazing speed and low fees, it's powering a new wave of decentralized apps, NFTs, and DeFi projects. Despite past technical issues, developers are flocking to the platform again. So, hitting $500 by 2025 is a realistic scenario. Fourth on the list is Chainlink. Chainlink provides the infrastructure that connects smart contracts to real-world data. As tokenized assets grow, reliable oracles will become essential. Chainlink is already the industry leader, and its partnerships across traditional finance and DeFi are only growing stronger. Finally, let's talk about AI-integrated crypto projects. Artificial intelligence is converging with blockchain technology. Projects like Render, Ocean Protocol, and Fetch.ai offer real-world utility in data markets, decentralized computing, and AI operations. These tokens are undervalued now, but could become breakout stars in the next bull run. Before you invest, always do your own research. Crypto is volatile, and while the potential is massive, so is the risk. Invest wisely. For deeper insights and daily crypto news, head over to crypto101.com. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for weekly updates and tell us in the comments, what crypto are you buying in 2025?